Let's go.
Called sound effects. And they're going to act out a scene, and whenever they prompt you to, you're going to supply the sound effects they need for the scene into the microphone. Now, tell me your names really quick.
Those two, Collin and Ryan, are probably the funniest too, man.
Your name is what? Gail, you're going to do Collin, okay? So the scene is, you guys are two buddy cops relaxing in your squad car just before being called to an incident. Okay. So you're ready to go. Take it away.
In a minute. Donut.
These donuts aren't as crispy as they used to be.
Look, I can chew with my mouth open and you don't hear a thing.
Let's see if there's anything on the radio.
Might as well. The antenna's not screwed in. Turn up the volume, would you? Don't hear a thing.
I guess, look.
Look, I just went through that light. Hit the siren. I'm chasing after him.
It's one of those silent ones that really irritates dogs.
We're gonna have to get really close for him to hear this. I better gun it. We must be out of gas. Let's push it.
Buddy cat.
This could be dangerous. We better put on our SWAT stuff.
Okay. I just gotta cock my gun.
Oh, you call that a gun?
I'll
Listen
take out
to
the
this.
silencer.
That's no gun. Listen to this.
Okay. I have a feeling there's terrorists behind that door.
I hope they're loud terrorists.
It wouldn't surprise me if it was a very quiet group of 100 or so.
All right, let's take it easy. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay? Let's get this straight.
Okay.
You are gonna kick in the door very loudly.
Okay.
I'm gonna run in behind you. Make it sound like a duck to confuse them.
Okay, let me hear the duck, just so I know. Quack, quack,
They did good right there. They got it. Finally.
If you'll notice, that wasn't just one duck.
No,
that was a whole
duck.
flock.
You know what? While you do the duck, I'm gonna do the elephant.
Right.
Quack, quack, quack.
All right. Once again.
Fucking elephant.
Okay, here's the plan.
Okay.
You kick in the door. I do the duck, you do the elephant, and then we open fire.
Okay, I might do a duck.
All right. Ready?
Okay. Bang!
Oh, man. That is so cool, though, man. He got shot in the eye. And Drew is rolling.
Oh my God! That was the funniest thing. That was so funny.
He is crying.
I'm gonna do an elephant quack quack. Woo. Oh man. That quacking elephant was like the funniest thing. Oh man. You guys are on the party list from now on.
Right.